Our healing message for tonight is taken from the Gospel of Mark, chapter 11, verses 20 to 24. In the morning, as they went along, they saw the fig tree withered from the roots. Peter remembered and said to Jesus, "Rabbi, look, the fig tree you cursed has withered." "Have faith in God," Jesus answered. "I tell you the truth. If anyone says to this mountain, 'Go, throw yourself into the sea,' and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that what he says will happen, it will be done for him. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." Kinaumagahan, pagdaan nila ay nakita nilang patay na ang puno ng igos. Naalala ni Pedro ang nangyari at kanyang sinabi kay Jesus, "Guro, tignan ninyo, namatay ang puno ng igos na sinumpa ninyo." Sumagot si Jesus, "Manalig kayo sa Diyos. Tandaan ninyo ito, kung sabihin ninyo man sa bundok na ito, 'Umalis ka riyan, tumalon ka sa dagat,' na hindi siya nag-aalinlangan, kundi nananalig na mangyayari ang sinabi niya, ito'y gagawin ng Diyos para sa kanya. Kaya't sinasabi ko sa inyo, anuman ang hingin ninyo sa panalangin, manalig kayong natanggap na ninyo iyon, at matatanggap nga ninyo." Ito ang mabuting balita ng ating kaligtasan. Ang pamilya muna.
Pamilya Purihin ang Panginoon.